There are certain core concepts in futures trading that every new trader needs to understand and master. At the top of that list are contract specifications, which outline the unique characteristics of how a futures contract is traded. Two crucial futures contract specifications are the expiration date and first notice date. These terms are the foundation of effective trade and risk management. Let's explain these concepts so you're well prepared to start your futures trading journey with confidence. The key to understanding the expiration date and first notice date is knowing how the contract is settled or delivered. The delivery method is set by the exchange as part of the contract specifications and comes in two flavors: physical delivery or cash settlement. For physically delivered contracts, sellers give notice to the exchange of their intention to deliver the commodity, and the exchange assigns a buyer to take delivery. Of course, you probably don't want 1,000 barrels of crude oil or 25,000 pounds of copper delivered to your house. Don't worry, you can close your position at least 2 days prior to first notice date, or NinjaTrader can do it for you to avoid delivery. For cash-settled futures, the contract profit or loss is settled in cash by the exchange on the expiration date. However, most traders choose to close their positions prior to the expiration date to avoid potential settlement fees and delays. Sample expiration dates: E-mini S&P 500 quarterly, June 21st, 2024. Crude oil monthly, June 20th, 2024. Gold monthly, June 26th, 2024. Which brings us to rollover. As the expiration date or first notice date nears, traders holding longer-term positions must roll their position into a new contract. This involves closing the existing position and entering a new position on the same instrument, but a new contract month. Understanding the expiration date, first notice date, and the concept of rollover is vital in futures trading. Each contract has its unique specifications and understanding. These can help you unlock the full potential of your trading. Start your futures trading journey today with NinjaTrader. We look forward to guiding you every step along the way.